Wait. 56. And let's start this. Pop out the chat. What's there? 0 degree. Hey, hi 0 degree. How are you doing? I saw you recently released a couple of new apps. Awesome. How are things going? Hind, whoa. Hey Hind, welcome man. Welcome to the stream. Okay. 0 degree. I was looking at your stream. Nice. Which one? Today's one? Yesterday's one? Hind, wallpaper and your today's outfit matches the vibe. This is okay. Nice. Thank you, Hind. Yeah, these days I'm liking this wallpaper. This is the new wallpaper in the Tahoe. Okay, let me just quickly see what we have here. Today I was supposed to have a small meeting with Anshuman, the guy we met yesterday. He was about to help me setting up the TikTok accounts, but I got a bit busy in the evening. I went out to have dinner, so I missed that. And yeah, let's see the okay, so teleprompter app is now live, guys. The new app is up. I can show you. Let me open the app. Where is it? Here it is. So the teleprompter app, publicly available. There is no like payment or anything. It's just completely free for anyone who wants to use it. Very useful for me specifically to make a lot of good content. I'm planning to add more features which will help me generally to publish more content. Some AI features like scripting, cleaning up a script, writing better hooks, things like that. So yeah, pretty excited with this one. I can move the release thing here. Also custom prompt writing to VFX app. This I have done. Can I show you guys in the mirror app? iPhone mirroring. Let's see, continue. Unlock iPhone. Wait, disconnect. Try again. Wait. Allow. Get started. iPhone mirror, the opportunity to continue. Mac login. Your iPhone is in use. Ask every time. So I'll show you where it is. Wait, I'll just move it here so that I can show you. So this is the VFX app. What I have done is I have done some changes here. I have added a new feature where we can easily edit the prompt directly from this screen and can generate the transitions. I've made like a couple of more reels. I'm trying to add more visual effects into the app with time. I'm currently testing like 3-4 new visual effects, and I'm also using them for my own content creation. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this is about it. Work. Let me play some music too. It's looking too. What else is there? So I need to work on like some Instagram reels I want to push on my like accounts. I'm working on a new pro version on auto AI reels, new feature. Set up a TikTok account. This is something which I wanted to do today but couldn't do it. So we'll pick some small tasks but we can finish up in this stream. Create terms and privacy. This is not needed. Create a songmaker app screenshots. Okay, yeah, this we can pick. So we'll work on AI songmaker app screenshots and some AI cover app in general. Yeah, let's work on that AI cover app. I have left it for a while. AI cover. Let me clone the app. Clone repo. AI cover. Select. Okay. Meanwhile, let's play the music too. Nice. Where is OBS? Let's keep it here. Cancel. Okay, I think my screen is stuck. Yep, it was. Okay, let me open up the project once. Open in cursor. Okay. New terminal. By the way, I don't know what happened, but yesterday the stream was quite popular. I saw like we received more than 400 views in just a single day. And once I quit the stream, I saw like there were 150 or some views. So that, and the peak was around 40-50 people came, watched at a single time. So yeah, yesterday was kind of a record breaking stream, I would say. We got like 10-15 new subscribers on that directly from that stream. 0 degree. Today's one. I thought you start at 9 p.m. Okay. I do at around 9:30, but I got a bit late. I came pretty late. Blinken, hey, welcome Blinken. How are you doing? Addicted to Cloud Code and Codex. Hey, me too. I'm using a lot of Cloud Code these days. Plus also because I'm already paying for Cursor, I thought why not just use my tokens which they give in Codex. Because Codex is also working really great. Blinken, I just posted a sunrise picture in Discord. Okay, let's see. How's the sunrise looking? Oh, wow, man. Awesome drive. Crazy. Amazing. Beautiful Texas sunrise. Make some apps for Android as well. And I'll push all these apps in Android once I like figure out some distribution channels in a better way and like make the apps where I want to reach, make them reach like maybe next couple of months. It's not a big task, like compiling them for Android, tweaking them. It's just in a 1 week I can publish like all of them into Android if I work on one single app in Android. It's just that setting up the account, creating assets for specifically for Android and testing it, that is the main time consuming thing. So currently what I'm focusing focusing on the content marketing. And if I figure out some content strategies and type of content which works, and I have like see growth happening in that domain, then obviously it will make sense to have the app for both Android and iOS, because if my content is working well, then I don't just want to target for iOS. I guess the screen is stuck. Yeah, it was stuck for a while, sorry. Screen froze. It's back. Wow. Wanna grow as indie developers this year. How to target the niche? Yo, Abhinav, how are you doing? New username. Shivam, hi Shivam, how are you doing? Having a good day, pretty good day. How you guys are doing? So 0 degree saying wanna grow as indie developer this year. How to target the niche? Yeah, I'm like on the same boat, man. Like just figuring out what niches are working, doing a lot of experiments locally, trying to see what works, what doesn't work. There are a lot of saturated niches right now, apps being launched right and left. So yeah, development is not just a moat. I'm extensively working on some marketing channels, trying to improve my distribution, not just 100% rely on ASO. Also learning a new new ASO strategies. I will share some things soon as I start to see result. I'm currently running like 4 experiments on ASO on a couple of my apps, and seeing some positive results with few small experiments, but it's too early to say anything. Maybe by end of this month I'll have some concrete data to share. Abhinav, I see you are building a project. I mean, yeah, I've been building a project for almost every day. There are a lot of projects, Abhinav. I just published this new app yesterday. It's for teleprompter. Just trying to increase my, target area by spreading my bets a little bit and then start focusing 100% on marketing or distribution. What the hell happened here? This app was supposed to work without any issue. Mm, 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 mm. Did I miss any step here? What? Okay, yeah, got it. Shyam Chaudhary, how's your app performing these days? So currently, like there are very less impressions for the new apps, which is very normal. Like the first week was when I saw a boost on most of the apps. There were subscribers who came, but now most of the apps are in under like 300 to 400 impressions, weekly impressions. So like 500, I could say on an average. Each app is receiving 500 weekly impressions, which is converting to downloads. And there are like weekly 1 or 2 subscribers max, and those two are also churning very bad, so I have to work on churn and also see how to improve the rank. So that's why I'm running a lot of ASO experiments. Where is my iPhone here? Yes. Hind, why did you choose to go solo developer and not even a team of 2? I'm open to be a team of 2. It's just that finding a co-founder is like finding a love partner. You cannot just work with anyone. It has to be very sync thing. Most of my friends who have a co-founder are generally the people who met their co-founders either in a very early age in college, first year, or some, like if you guys are in your colleges, I would say like just pick some good friends, stick with them, and they can be a really good co-founders because they have seen your journey. They know from you from the start, and once you have like reached to a certain level in your career, right, it's very hard to bond in terms of like being a co-founder very easily, specifically if you are an introvert like me. It's very hard. 0 degree. I built my video splitter app in hours and get published on App Store in one go. Surprised me. Completely changed my mindset. Crazy. Yeah, like Apple, sometimes like the reviewers just review immediately, and sometimes they take like hours. I think they're taking more time with the AI apps in general, which I have noticed, because my teleprompter app was published in like in one go, not one go, 2 goes, and versus all the AI apps, like they are finding issues left and right with assets, with the way how it works, with the way how it converts. Even they asked me to add one small text in one of the AI generation app. I mean, like, yeah, maybe their team has been told by some seniors that AI apps just look at them a bit more seriously. Shubham, hey, hi Shubham, how are you doing? Abhinav, so are you currently marketing your products in Insta? Yes, Abhinav, I am currently doing content marketing with Insta, like Reels, and also like setting up TikTok to market the apps. That's where most of the visibility is, because I'm finding a like looking for a channel where distribution is in my hand in way like which can be scaled, and that is either you pay for ads to get that kind of visibility into your app, or you do content marketing, or you do SEO, or you do ASO. ASO is not in my hand at all, because ASO I can tweak some things and ASO will take its good amount of time to start ranking on that keyword. What I can do, what is in my hand is like only 4 or 5 factors which I can keep changing and experimenting with. But still, Apple, for a new app, at least for 6 months, Apple doesn't care for new apps which are published. They will give you a boost initially for a week. After that, your app goes into this silent death valley for a couple of months. And later on, if it survives that death valley phase, then you keep persisting and keep pushing updates on your app, then after 6 months you start to reap some benefits, which happened with my first app, which was Auto Aerials. That's how it reached to a certain level where it has very good number of like subscribers coming in into the app. It has ranked pretty good on some keywords, and I found some distribution channels for that. So I want to do the same thing for most of my apps. Like, it's just repeating the experiment, but I do not want to rely just on ASO. That's why I'm finding these content distribution channels now. Also, like, Abhinav, give me some advice, man. You are already the one pretty good content creator on Twitter. Any other ways which we can market? I was thinking to do some marketing on Twitter as well, but then I thought my audience is not on Twitter, the kind of products I'm building, so it doesn't make much sense. But then I saw this guy, Jack Fricks. He published about his new app, which was about couples app, and he got like, I think 2 million views on his post, which resulted him getting 20,000 or some downloads in the first week, and he reached to like 5,000 MRR in like 2 weeks because his tweet got super viral. 0 degree. By the way, image to prompt got $7 over App Store and $8 over Play Store. You mean the subscribers? That's great, man. That's great. Slow wins, steady wins. Shivam, 2-3 subs each apps or 2-3 subs overall. So it's like 1 or 2 subs, I would say, not even 2 or 3 each app, which is coming weekly, not daily. It's like, and last November first week was the worst because I didn't get any subscriber for, except for Auto Aerials. Auto Aerials, I do not count it when I'm talking about subscribers. That's running on a completely different trajectory because it's been there for a while. It's been there for almost more than a year now. Akhil, true. Hello, Divyanshu. Hello, Akhil. How are you doing? Shivam, which VPN are you using to use TikTok? Yeah, that's the thing. I haven't set up TikTok yet. This is my, like, the new iPhone, second-hand iPhone, sorry, I bought just to set up TikTok. And there is this guy who I met yesterday. Oh, he's here, Anshuman. So Anshuman is going to help me set up TikTok. And he said we can do it in Android too. So I have a very old spare Android. So let's see. But first, I want to just experiment on this iPhone. And I do not want to rush into this process because, you know, I don't want to like get shadow banned initially because it's already not available in India. So I want to do things a little bit right here. I am also talking to one of my friends who is an indie hacker. He's into app making as well. His app is doing really good in US store, and he's doing most of his marketing with TikTok. So I thought, yeah, let's give it a try as well. Meanwhile, not stopping our publishing train. The publishing train or the publishing factory should keep running parallelly, while the marketing should be running on the parallel track as well. You should not pause that. Abhinav, TikTok, how? Isn't it banned in India? Abhinav, there are ways. So Anshuman, who is here in the chat, he's the guy who is also promoting his apps on TikTok. There are ways you can run TikTok. It's a little bit tricky. You have to like run through some hoops. 0 degree. How did PixFix perform? PixFix performed really good in the first week. I think Apple ranked it so good. It was getting more than 1,000 impressions a day. And then now I'm in the death valley where the app goes silent, where it will be in the death valley for a while. There are 1 or 2 users downloading it, checking on the free plan. I have some plans to give like more free credits to the users so they just keep coming up. And my major target with PixFix for the next 2-3 weeks is just to play with ASO experiments and to get some good reviews. That's what I have planned for it. Blinkin, I made 8 songs and it's still free. Which app are you using, Blinkin? Oh, I think you told me Suno or something, right? Suno 2. Anshuman, hello. Adam Little made a video on Jack Fricks. Both of them are crushing. Yeah, man. Jack Fricks is crushing amazing. Like, he is crushing so great. Just in 2 weeks, his app reached like what? Wait. 5,000 MRR in just 2 weeks. Wait, stop. Don't build. I want to run it in iPhone Air. iOS, iPhone Air. Yeah, this one. Run it here. Let me see what the fuck. Which error are you showing here? Akhil, stream has so much delay. Really? I'm sorry. Also, I think my system is low on memory today again. From tomorrow, what I'll... Oh, there is... Shit. There is no space remaining. So I'll have to clean my Mac. You know what Xcode does? Xcode creates a lot of poop. What I mean poop is the developer, the derived data, and also when you're working on these multiple apps, there is so much derived data created that every time I have to clean that up. You see, I'll have to clean my Mac, otherwise my system will just die down. It has only 1 GB of space remaining, whereas I'm pretty sure there must be 100 GB of the data which is currently being occupied by the derived data or the libraries. Shit. Oh yeah, I'm getting stuck. Shit. Akhil, I'm in USA. If you want any help, let me know. Oh wow, Akhil, awesome. To set up TikTok. What? That's crazy, man. Let's see what if we can. What can we do from a physical location? I think you can only help me check my account once I share it with you. You can help me check it if it is showing up on the US location. So developer, there is core simulators, Xcode, derived data. Yeah, I want to just remove this. Fuck, my system is lagging so bad. Review and remove. Oh, I get it why it's not building, because there is not enough space. Yes, so yeah, definitely I need to remove this. Your system is running low on memory. Clean my Mac. Cursor. Okay, Discord I can remove. Force quit. Figma I can remove. Force quit. GitHub desktop we can remove. Force quit. Google Chrome, leave it. Terminal we can, let's leave it. Linear, let's force quit. Fuck, what happened? Okay, OBS is taking too much, but OBS we can't kill. Chat GPT, let's kill this. Anything else? Notion, yes, kill it. Google Chrome cursor. Some files were not removed. Please make none of your apps are being using them. Okay. Oh fuck, I'll have to close this as well. Even let's remove the archives too. Abhinav, in my opinion, TikTok and Insta are the best way to market your products through short form content. Yes, Abhinav, that's the plan. So I'm trying to I'm currently running 2 small Insta accounts which are getting decent 1,000 views. and there is not, like, I'm not promoting anything with those accounts. My plan is once it reaches to a baseline, and that's also an Insta which is running from India. I have not done any hacky stuff of like getting users from US and all. I'm simply running it, and the views are good. I just need to start marketing with those apps with the links. Okay, how much space do we have now? Where is space lens? Okay, now we have 28 GB of space. Cursor has become such a memory hog nowadays. Let's close this, close this. Anything else which is running? Oh shit, what is this? iPhone Air is running here. Let's close this, close this. I hope now it will be fine. That's the hope I have. Force quit, and yeah, that's it. Let's try to run again. Yeah, on iOS. iPhone Air. Shivam, if you get their distribution through social media, isn't it just better to build web apps instead of mobile, or is it easy to get paid subs on mobile? I think, again, not sure, but I think, yeah, mobile apps are easier to get users onboarded because they are already on a platform which is mobile. So it's easier for them to just download the app, and even the payment, if they have to pay for anything, they can quickly do that. Compared to if you have a web app, moving users from, if you're obviously they'll be watching the short form content on their small phone, and moving them from there to browser where your app is and asking them to pay, I think there's a bigger friction compared to an app. So yeah, social media, in my opinion, would work better for app compared to web app. What? Sam, Google split tunneling for VPN. I won't say much. They are watching me. Google is split tunneling. Okay. Split tunneling. What is split tunneling? They are watching me. Oh shit, I can't open my this Chrome right now. Too less on memory. But I'll look into this, Sam. Even I'll have a discussion with you because I need a good VPN which TikTok should not found about. I heard like they ban with NordVPN and all. Hint, IG, the screen is stuck again. Yeah, it was. I fixed it. It's back to normal. For TikTok, that is. Ah, okay, cool. Bro, storage. Anshuman, on iPhone, shadow ban happens more often as I have experienced. You need to give some time to TikTok to make your account genuine. Cool, Anshuman. I'm really sorry I couldn't connect today, but yeah, let's see if you are available tomorrow, anytime in the daytime. Tomorrow is what? Thursday. Yeah, I have a free time in the day around 3 to 5. So yeah, you can ping me on Discord anytime. I really need your help. That would be really appreciated. 0 degree, I got you. Sam, force quit OBS while you at it. Abhinav, is that a new mic? This one? No, it's a very old mic. The one which I have started these streams with. HMRR, 10,000 rupees MRR Limau. 10,000 rupees MRR? What do you mean? HMRR. Real aliens on earth. Man, is this $1,300 month dollar real from only you? Apple apps. Which app is making max revenue and how much? Please tell me. This is unbelievable. Really too much revenue. Man, so many questions. You should just join. Come to these streams. I do share most of the stuff. I can't literally share which apps, how and all. I can tell you like... I have a website which is called 100 Indie Bets where I do write all the updates as wait you can so there's a link on the description that's 100 Indie Bets. You can find the apps and every detail there. Not distribution of apps, which app is making how much revenue. I'm not very comfortable sharing that, but yeah, you can find out. Shivam, build a VPN, bro. Only money. Yeah, VPN market is so saturated. Can't do anything in that market. What is happening is here option update pod dependencies. I guess so. CD iOS pod repo update. Okay. RF bro. Abhinav, by the way, Indian is giving out of 500 code failed to fetch YouTube data, 500 YouTube interest not configured, API key to environment variable. There is a key in environment variable. I think that's a wrong error, because what happens is, I think that's because of the YouTube API's timeout request. The error message is so wrong. I have to fix this. The error message is a hard-coded message. If any error happens, it shows this message. This is my bad. Sam, podcast research for Claude skills is done. By the time your Claude uses any of its skill, you will be token timed out till next week. It's only $200 max. Real alien on Earth, but $13 from iOS apps, no other source. Please tell what is the max revenue for a single app. So one of the app which is currently generating the max is around, I would say around $800 MRR, which fluctuates a lot because there is a lot of churn, and I'm trying to bring more users every day. Seriously, what's happening here? What the hell? This is very new error. This never happened before. This is a very standard project already. By the way, I reached a new milestone of 2000 MRR, but I don't think I can maintain it from next month. Wow, awesome, man. Like, from where? Is it from the Twitter revenue, or from your own crypto project you were working on? Where is iPhone Air? This is here, but I don't know why it's not picking up. It's building its own emulator. Shubham, the app which is making crazy revenue is post handle lol. Yes, that's true. That's true. It's post handle. Is it because I have to add store kit here? Same error. Zero degree. Abhinav is also developer. He's into crypto. Plus, he's a very nice content creator on X. It's 60 friends freelance and 40% X marketing. That's nice. Freelancing, are you taking like crypto projects, Abhinav? Also, what's your opinion on Polymarket and Kalshi? I'm checking them out. I found them very interesting because Sam made me interested on these two projects. Getting same error even after pod repo update. I noticed this is in RC, which might be due to revenue cat. Can you tell me what is happening so I can understand better? Yarn start. Let's see if we can run this. Oh, this is working, so we can technically open the app. What happened? Invariant variation. So this needs to be cleaned up for sure. Uninstall. This is a naming collision between Apple Store Kit 2 framework and Revenue Kit SDK at the time. Revenue Kit created their own subscription period type in their SDK, added a new subscription. This what's happening. The file. Wait, I have to check what this does not happen in other projects. So what's happening here? Why is it so bad? Package. Revenue cat. React native purchase 954 React native purchase. Whoa. Oh, now I understood. Shit, I'm using a very old version. This is wrong project. This is a fucking wrong project actually. Oh shit, did I even move that project? Otherwise I'm fucked. Document coding AI cover songs. Okay, here is that project. AI cover songs. Okay, so this is a wrong project actually. This happens if like I have two repos with the same name because this is an old AI cover songs which I was trying to open up. But yeah, let's move this project to AI cover, move to trash, paste item here. Oh shit. I'll have to do one thing. Document coding AI cover songs. I have to remove the node modules from here. Move to trash and also iOS folder. We'll have to remove the pods. Move to trash and yeah, from here we will take this 200 apps, paste. $35. Okay. Thank you for sharing. I think earlier these apps revenue is fake. You don't publish Play Store apps. I don't publish on Play Store. Abhinav, Polymarket and Kalshi guys reach out to me for their badge, but I like Polymarket more because it's more decentralized. Just my personal choice. Nice. So they reached out for badge. What is this badge? I'm just asking because I want to wait. Keep resumable copy. Finish copying. Because an unexpected error occurred. What the fuck, bro? Bro. Remove. Let's clone again. AI. Is there AI cover already added anywhere? It's not, right? I haven't worked on it for last few days. So clone repository, AI cover. Fuck. I am kind of fucked. Kind of. So what I did was when I improved my this Mac move to Tahoe, there was an option. It asked me that do you want to move your documents to be synced with iCloud, and I said yes. And as soon as I clicked on yes, it moved my full document folder to an iCloud drive and started syncing, and most of my projects were here. And since that has happened, I cannot use these projects. I have to just manually copy paste them, and I was too lazy to like search what's happening on internet, like what happened to my projects. So what I did, because all of these projects were already in GitHub, so I started copying it from cloning it and setting it up locally. But for some reason, wait, this project was not on GitHub. So what I will do is okay. AI cover songs. Okay. Let's see if I can manually move these things or just copy them. I just need the package.json. Okay. Copy. Yes, working. And then I need the scripts. It's working. Yes. Then I need the source folder. It's working. Tailwind config. TS config. Yarn log is okay. We don't need it. Readme we don't need. Package we already have. Native with env. Yes. Metro config. Yes. Landing we don't need. Or maybe landing we can keep. iOS Firebase iOS folder we don't need. Index.js we need. Icon and icon 1024, these two we need. Google service plist we need, and Google service JSON we need. Global.d we need. Docs we don't need. Claude Babel we need. App.json we definitely need. Yeah, that's it. Now let's see if we do a yarn here. Hope this would work. 0 degree. I just observed if you are building small apps, use Swift instead of React Native. Yeah, I mean, if you're building an app which is doing some native stuff, like for example, it was a very good choice 0 degree for that split video thing, because it's very hard to build a video editing kind of an app in React Native unless you are writing your own Swift bridge. There are not many good libraries as well to do that. So if you're using some internal hardware or an internal SDKs for editing video, editing or trimming audio, things like that, it definitely makes more sense to use Swift UI and Swift language. Real Alien Earth, please can you be my friend? I want to know how to make app on Apple and make money. Please mentor me. I mean, Real Alien on Earth, that's a very good ask, but what I would say is just come hang out on these streams. If you have any question, you can ask. If it's and I would be happy to help, definitely. And join our Discord. We do talk about things. And wait, NPX Expo pre-build. Oh shit, we don't have assets here. Wait. It was in source. Yes, it was in source. Cool. So we have assets. 0°. We are on the same boat. Yes, same boat. Wow, I thought I will be adding some like a backend integration, but the whole time I'm just fixing these setup issues. But again, I'm not wasting this time. Otherwise, I would have been doing this. This is my task for this week as well. Like I have to publish this app as well this week. Today is Wednesday, right? We still have 3-4 days. 0°. Sam, we sent an app. Okay. Cool. Thank you, Sam. Let me look to the message. Copy. So guys, here's the time. Sam's app of the day. Shubham, are you keeping the log of all these? Yeah, on iOS. So Sam's app of the day is this, which is Game Shelf. Play retro games online. I like Contra. What? Okay, it was an ad pop-up. Again, an ad pop-up. Ooh, old memories. One player. I did not check how to play them. Like, what was the command I have to use? What? I did not check what command I have to use. Why I can't press? Okay, S. I can jump from S. How to shoot? Guys, who has played Contra? Oh, superpower. Oh, shit. Shit. I missed the power. What is the thing to... Like, this is one of the game which I played so much. Oh, how to... Seriously? Oh, I did shoot. Okay, next time I will check what command I have to use. But this is cool. Cool. I wish there was not many ads in this one. The pop-up ads specifically. These are some crazy things which are coming. But yeah, cool. Anyone wants to play the retro 90s games? Here it is, guys. If there is Mario and Contra, how can I open the link again? So I will just go through. So Road Fighter is something which I have played a lot. Adventure Island, played a lot. And Load Runner, wow, this is one of my favorite games. Contra, a lot. Then Bomberman, this also a lot. And what else? Galaga, yes, this is like very default game. Like we used to buy these cassettes with 9999991, and Galaga was always like the 9999 times in that whole series. Chip and Dale, yes, this we have played. Prince of Persia. What else? Ninja Gaiden. Fuck, this was really good game. Double Dragon. And there was another one which there was 2 players. It was similar to Contra. I don't see it here. I wish there was like a mobile app for these games. I would be playing them. They were so fun. But yeah, I think now it will work. I have done the thing which needed to be done. And let's do one thing. CD. It will AI. I'll ask Codex to do changes now. Will not be using cursor in this session. Let's see. But in the end, I'll have to review everything. For before that, I'll commit and merge to the main branch. Or maybe we can work on a different PR I can create. Let's see. We only have 8 minutes remaining. My screen is not frozen, right? Yeah. I'm 100% sure that issue is with my the space in my system. We can't do anything except for waiting for this thing to finish. Shit, my chat was completely gone. Shivam, yeah, man. Hello, green looks great. Hey, Shivanshu, thank you. 0 degree, quickly guidance. I built AI video generator app and it's make 20,000 INR on Play Store, but now it's stuck. What to do? Should I focus on that app? Yeah, if it has made some money, then 100% focus on that. Fix it, try to improve it, find other ways to, find distribution on it. Again, it completely depends. Like if you feel that app needs your love, like if it needs to be updated, users are asking some more features, talk to them. You already have money coming in, so that means though there are people who have so much high interest that they're ready to pay, so you have to like find a way to communicate with these users to see what they want and gradually keep improving the app. Getting good impressions, but conversion is too late. Yeah, I mean, if you have impressions, conversion is not happening, then it's a very good space to be in. You know what the problem is, conversion. So just try to fix the conversion, and you can fix it by updating your icon, screenshots, title. So these are the places which users are looking for. And compare yourself with the competitors, how they are. So if a user is watching your icon, why it's clicking on other ones and not yours, that's what conversion means. Like, I mean, conversion to download, and then there is a new battle which you have to fight. Once they download, are they converting into a paid user? That's a different battle. So there are multiple levels of the battle. Initial battle you have figured out, you have improved the impressions, which means you're ranking higher on such couple of keywords, and now the game is to just convert the users. Some people wrote the feedback, worst app, it's take some images and add captions and render, that's it. I mean, yeah, again, if those kind of users are coming into your app, that means it's on a competitive space where other apps are doing better job maybe. But yeah, try to focus on the main USP of your app. Show how to control click. Vishnu, hey bro, how's everything going? Hey Vishnu, welcome. Things are going good, man. How are you? How is the new place where you are? Finally, the app is ready. And also it's taking so long because I just cleaned up the derived data. If I look at my space now, oh, it's good now. My system is getting so hot though. Mm, none of the file exist. Which file does not exist, bro? Context file doesn't exist? What the hell? Seriously, where is app context? What? I think I'm screwed with this app now. If this app doesn't have a context, then what to do? Or maybe what I can do is, does it have a splash though? Yes. Index, yes. Layout is there, but is there onboarding? This is what I needed. Onboarding. Fuck. Why sad? It's me sad? No, man. Today I'm a bit tired. Been working for a while. How much? 4 hours already done, plus 1 hour this session. So when the day I do 4 hours of coding work, I feel a little bit drained out on these evening sessions. So yeah, my bad. 0 degree. My elder bro suggests that use Sora and Vue models. I mean, yeah, you can try that, but my opinion is if you go with that route, your margins will become so thin because those are very expensive models and users might not want to pay the amount which you would be asking after implementing those two models. This is my opinion because I have been there. I was thinking, should I add those models? But the kind of conversions they will give me in terms of margin, it will be too high. So I'll be running on very thin margins, doing a lot of work without getting good margins. So it doesn't make much sense to me. But let's see if you can figure out something. Instead of Flux, he told people will pay if the customer find the quality great. Try that. I would say, like, if you have a hypothesis, do not reject it, just try it, because you can run an A/B test. Try with that. If the reviews are getting better, people are praising your app. If that's happening, then good. Then find another way, maybe increase the price. Then that's a different battle. You'll have to, it's a game of battles, right? You have many battles to play in each phase, and just you have a hypothesis, run an experiment, see what happens. Bye. No yapping today, pure work. Hey Shubham, cool. How's the work on Cap IQ going, by the way? 0 degree, but let's see, we'll keep in your loop. Awesome, 0 degree, all the best, man. See ya from my side. Good night, Abhinav. Thank you for hanging out. 0 degree, bye-bye, guys. How's your NNN going? What is that? Bro, Div is innocent. He's our sensei. Nigel, are you ignoring your Twitch chat? Nigel, is there Twitch chat happening? I have 100%. I'm really sorry. Is there Twitch chat also happens on my streams? I used to look at my Twitch chats long back when I used to open it via restream. But then I noticed there was almost no viewer. So I stopped looking at them. So Nigel, are you a guy who was chatting on Twitch and then thought, okay, let's go to YouTube to tell this guy that there is some chat pending? Oh, there is one person on Twitch. Let me check my Twitch stream. Welcome to the chat room. Oh, we have 18 followers on Twitch. That's crazy. There is no chat on Twitch. I do not see anything. There was 8 people on your Twitch earlier. Oh shit. I completely missed that. Wait, what? 8? That's crazy. Refresh it. Yeah, I'm on my Twitch. I don't see anything here. So there is one person. Welcome to the chat room. Do I have to log in? Oh shit. I'm not even logged in into Twitch. Wait. Where is this OTP? Oh yeah, there is one. Yo. Someone has said yo. Okay, there are a couple of chats. I like that green light in the back. Thank you, Louis Fitness. Yo Shubham. Hi, how are you? I'm from Japan. This is Shubham. Wait, you can't see the messages. Yes, it works. Are you from India? You're really bad at reading the chat. Wait, you can't see the messages. Yeah, I'm very sorry. I was not looking at the chats on Twitch. Can we pop out the chat from Twitch as well? Is there a way? I don't even know. Settings, show mod. Is there a pop out thing here? Pop out chat. Oh yeah, there is a pop out chat. So yeah, from tomorrow we can do this. Like I can open the Twitch chat as well. Finally it works. Let's go. Which part of India are you from? Hey Louis, I'm natively from northern part, Uttarakhand. That's a place, but currently I'm in Goa. It's in the southern mid south side in Goa in India. Oh wow, I never knew there are like people on my Twitch. Really sorry. Oh, by the way, I'm already stuck on this issue. Refresh it. I think you can combine the chats with Twitch and YouTube. I think combine. I saw there is a feature in Restream though, but Restream chat is so bad because what happens is when you guys are sending a message here, then Restream receives a webhook and then shows it, and sometimes there's a huge delay in that. So that's why I decided that I'll just look at the YouTube live chat, but I ignored Twitch because there was no user on Twitch, so that's why. Dude, I've been to Goa. You guys have amazing beaches. Hey, thank you. I visited both Goa and Chennai last year. Amazing. Yeah, I'm in Goa right now. So yeah, this is a perfect time in October, November, even December and January. This is the season time here. But yeah, where are you from, Louis? Also, are you into like coding, development, engineering? Source app onboarding. Freaking hell. My whole project is gone from the iCloud drive. Shit. Isn't it very touristy area? I mean, it depends on which part of Goa you are at. So if you are at the northern part, like then that's very touristy and very crowded. But where I live, it's on the middle of Goa, which is a city Panjim. Pretty chill and not many people here. Also, if you go to south, there are very secluded beaches. So yeah, not super touristy. It depends which part of Goa you are in. I'm from Singapore. Oh wow, I'm a beginner coder, just finished a boot camp. Amazing, amazing. Guys, go ahead and follow. Not all of them. I'm in the USA. I realized your YouTube views are from India. Like the stream. Guys, thank you. Guys, like the stream. I love Singapore. My dream college is there. Nanyang Tech University. Okay. Is Vegator Beach considered touristy? I don't consider Vegator as touristy, but I don't go to Vegator. I go to Ozran, which is a little bit ahead of Vegator, which I feel is much secluded. But yeah, Vegator, like the most crowded and the beaches which I personally don't like is Baga, Kalangut, Candolim, and Arambol, Anjuna. So I like Mandrim, and I like Ozran, even a little bit of a Vegator. Vegator is easy beach. And then one of the beach which I almost daily go to, that is Miramar. It's very near to my place, like 10 minutes drive. And then there is Shridao, which I am pretty sure nobody has heard of. Who even people who live in Goa, sometimes they don't even know there is a beach called Shridao. It's not like, it's so small, but I like that place. There is just one single shack, very silent, no crowd. And then if you go to south, some of my favorite beaches are like Bethel Betim and Vengur. No, not Vengurla, it's in Maharashtra. There is this Talpona and Galjibagh in southern Goa. I managed to find a spot to 10 topless. Cool. Talpona, Galjibagh. Yeah, I think same. Both the beaches are same if you just keep walking. Okay, so today I've understood that my code, this project won't work and I have to just do all the work from again. And this is my mistake. I forgot to publish the Git branch when I was working on this. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to go to my AI cover and this old app and just copy paste the script and the UI, which I have already done in like, I think last week. So the work has increased a little bit. I feel like in India that would be impossible. Yes, that's kind of impossible task. But if you go to southern beaches in Goa, I can tell you some places where you can do that. Cool. Thank you so much, guys. It's already pretty late for me and I have to watch a TV series. I have recently started watching a new TV series which is called Pluribus. If anyone needs a good TV show to watch, that's this one, Pluribus. This is made by Vince Gilligan, the creator of Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. This guy. He made Breaking Bad, Better Call Saul, and this is his new series which is on Apple TV. Crazy show. And I have already seen the first episode. I will be watching the second episode, and on 14th there is a third episode which is coming. I would highly recommend. I would have like very new and impossible kind of concept. See you guys tomorrow. Is it culturally accepted though? I know India is kind of conservative. Culturally accepted, I don't know. Like in India, the thing is, it depends on which place you are in. So there is everything possible here, but depends on which kind of place you are at. There are very liberal places, there are very conservative places. India is so big. Cool. See you guys. Bye-bye. Have a good night. Luis, hope to see you tomorrow again. I'll try to open my chat. Sorry for today. I was not looking at my Twitch chats.